Hey guys, this is Jennifer from the Planner Punch. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a return customer, then welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I will be planning for the week of April 26th to May 2nd. So this is the kit that I will be using. It's a printable kit from our shop. It's one of our older releases in the older format, but I still love this kit. So it comes with a bunch of stuff. There is also a fifth page, but I knew I wasn't going to use everything on that page, so the only thing I really needed was this bottom washi. So that's all I printed out. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So while I'm laying down my base, let me give you guys an update about what's been happening as far as the shop is concerned. So far, if you notice, we have only been offering vertical kits in the shop. And we kind of wanted to expand and offer more kits. So we have been working on layouts for the EC 7x9 monthly, as well as some budget kits. So just a couple of days ago, we kind of finalized a layout that we like and that we're hoping you guys will like as well. So this week is going to be spent designing these new kits. So just yesterday we took a test print of the monthly and the budget kits and made a few adjustments and tweaks and finalized those designs. So hopefully sometime soon, like we don't have like a launch date as yet, but I will keep you updated on what's happening as far as the launch of these new kits are, when the launch is going to be. So aside from that, we've also, during the EC warehouse sale that happened in April or March, April I think, I purchased a daily duo for myself, and we were kind of contemplating, and we actually have been working on a daily duo kit design as well. And then of course the new planner, the new EC planner launch was announced, and now, I mean, obviously, if you guys have seen the sneak peeks, there are a bunch of new changes that are happening with the Daily Duo Life Planner. And one of the biggest changes is that there is going to be a separate Saturday and a separate Sunday, which is what we've all been wanting. But so if that's the only change, then probably, it's the kit layout that we've come up with is fine. We don't know how many of you are buying those new planners right away, or whether you have your planners, you've already got your planners sorted and you'd want the kit for the current formats of the Daily Duo. So we just kind of waiting to see what happens with the launch, and then we will take a call on whether we want to launch the Daily Duo right away, or maybe do the layout keeping in mind the new planners that are coming out. So we're still like discussing and talking about it. Like, I have the Daily Duo, and that I'm going to be using that Daily Duo right to the end of this year, and then maybe get a new one for January. But let's see how it goes. If the major change, if there's no change in sizing and the only change is going to be the separate Saturday and Sunday, then we can just add those two headers to our current kit layout and then launch with that, so that if somebody has the older Daily Duo, they can use, they have the option of Saturday and Sunday on one page. And if they're using the newer Daily Duo that has a separate Saturday and Sunday, then they will get two date covers for that. Okay, let's quickly lay down the date headers. So I would love if you guys would advise us on what you think we should do. Should we release the Daily Duo kits as well? Keep following the older Daily Duo format of Saturday and Sunday on the same page, or should we wait and then try and give both designs once the planner launch happens? Let me know what you think. But in the meantime, definitely the monthly kits and the budget kits will be launching soon. We're already hard at work. We're also working on some new vertical kits, and those will be out soon enough as well. If you guys have, or maybe I should white that out. So yeah, what was I saying? I was talking about the new monthly and budget kit releases. So yeah, so I for one am really looking forward to the monthly and the monthly kits and the budget kits, because I budget every month. I mean I don't do videos on budgeting, because you know your budget is such a personal thing. But I would like to be able to use budget kits in my planner. Let me lay down the weekend banner before I start the sidebar. Alright. Ah, that looks nice. Okay, now for the sidebar. I'm going to start planning the sidebar from the bottom up, because I may just have to cover up the whole month. Alrighty. And now let me look for a full box checklist that I can use. I am going to use this beautiful one with the golden leaves on it. So let me put that down. And let's see, maybe a to-do header above that. Okay, I'm going to need my tweezers for this one. Okay. And then we have the habit trackers. So I've got 4 habit trackers here. So which ones do I use? Maybe these 2. Let's do that right here. This week I will go back to tracking my workouts and my sleep, as opposed to tracking medication. And I'm going to put this flag down and then just handwrite habits over that. Alright. And then I want to stick to what I did last week with this 3 heart checklist. So let's do that. Oops, that's completely skewed and not straight at all. Okay, I think that's better. Okay, and for this I will use another, should I use a this week script, or should I put down another flag and then just write plan with me on that? I think that's a better idea, isn't it? And lay that down right here. Alrighty. And now let's put a full box up there. I think I'm going to do this one. It says, let me hold this up closer so you guys can see. It says, dream it, wish it, and do it. And I think that's really cute and motivational. You know what? I think I'm going to have to white that out, because if you can see, it's like you'll actually be able to see through. Alright, let's lay this bad boy down. Then perfect. Okay, so that's it for the sidebar. Okay, maybe I should just fill in those details. Okay, so I'm going to speed you through just while I fill those out. This is something I'll do on my own later. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is lay down all the appointments and things that I have to get done for work. Okay, so I filled out all my boxes that I need for work. So let's just lay those down real quick. So on Monday, I have a virtual meeting, which most likely will be at 11 in the morning. I then have a meeting at 2 o'clock. On Tuesday, I need to prep some paperwork in the morning and send that to a client. So that's that. And then after this, I have a meeting at 2 in the afternoon. Alright. Then on Wednesday is finally when mom gets her COVID test done. So we did actually, there were appointments available before the 28th, but since her COVID positive report came in on the 14th, so officially her quarantine period of 14 days gets over on the 28th, and therefore this is when we ultimately booked the test. So that is going to happen at 10 a.m. on Wednesday morning, after which I have a meeting at 11 and then again at probably at 2:30, although that timing is not fixed yet. So let me put down the 11 o'clock since that is definitely happening. And then let me put down the second meeting, which will happen after this. Alright, so that's that. And then I don't have any meetings on Thursday. However, I do need to get some stuff picked up from the office. So I don't know if I mentioned this, but our city has gone into a complete lockdown once again because of rising COVID numbers. So all offices have been shut. Everyone's working from home, but there's just some stuff that I need for the next week that's lying in office. So I just need to have that stuff picked up and got back home, which is permissible, it's fine. And then on Friday, I have another virtual meeting at 11 a.m. So let me put that down, and that is it for work. Now, as far as Planner Punch is concerned, again, this week there's going to be ton of designing stuff that's going to happen. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, my first half looks like it's quite full. So the afternoon or the evenings, I will get some designing done. So let's put those down. So I will design here and here and Wednesday. So last week we spent a lot of time in the afternoons, evenings, and sometimes late into the night just kind of finalizing the layout, doing a lot of research on what people want, and we've been spending a lot of time on the computer. I had to pull out my eye drops because my eyes kept getting so dry with so much of screen time. But I have to tell you guys, it has been a lot of fun designing. So on Friday, I'll probably start designing as soon as I'm done with this meeting. So I'm gonna put this up here. And same with Thursday actually. The whole day on Thursday is going to be spent designing. So let me put down that sticker right here. And that is all for Etsy. I think it's going to be a lot of designing. So sometime on Thursday, I also want to draw up my budget for the month of May. So I'm going to use, I'm going to use this planner sticker right here. Where do I use this? Okay, just right there. So I want to get that done sometime on Thursday. So probably once I'm done with lunch, I may spend some time with my budget planner. So I use an EC monthly as my budget planner. So far it's been working out quite well, but I can't wait to incorporate some stickers into my budget planning. I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, I think that's all that I have in terms of appointments and meetings that I need to put down for the following week. I do need to get some laundry done and some cleaning done, but I'm not going to put that in just yet. I will wait. What I do want to do, however, is lay down some of these lovely full boxes. I have no plans yet for the weekend, so I'm just going to leave that as is right now, and we will see what happens once as the week progresses. Since I have this coat box, I want to put this somewhere here. So I'm going to put that somewhere here maybe. Alright, so that's that. Last week, one minute, let me show you guys. So I did like this plan IG post last week. So I planned the IG post, that Instagram post that I was going to put up this week, and it made my life a lot easier having a plan. So I want to do the same thing for this week. So I think I'm going to use that one. I mean, I know it probably makes more sense to maybe have this in the following week, but I will at the end of the day be planning this on Sunday, which is why I want to put it down there. So, and I can use this next week label. Okay, let me line that up correctly. Let's put this little bad boy down here. Let's do that one. And maybe just one more. So probably put that down. Okay. Sorry, I just want to add one last thing, which is this little bad boy right here. Okay. And I'm just going to handwrite Instagram on there. Okay, now I am done. That is all for this week's Plan With Me. If you guys enjoyed this Plan With Me, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see the After the Pen spreads for the first half and the second half, don't forget to join us, follow us on Instagram. I will leave our Instagram handle in the description box down below. There will also be a link to our Etsy shop and to this kit down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this Plan With Me, and I hope that you will join us again next week for another one. So that's all for this Plan With Me. You guys all have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you again next week. Bye.